Hello, Scrapbookers! This is Megan, and I am back today with a brand new series for my YouTube channel. So I have been planning this series for years and years and years, and I've just never actually jumped in and done the series. So I thought, why not do it now? I need to stop putting it off and just start doing it. So the idea is called sketch lifting, or the series name is called sketch lifting. Basically what that is I find a layout that I love that somebody made based off of a sketch, but there is a significant difference between the sketch and then the layout they created. So my first layout is this one from Christy's Beautiful Life that she did, I think last month, for her Best of 30 Days of Sketches series. So she made this layout based off of this sketch by Laura Whitaker. And I'm sorry, my camera does not want to focus right now, but you get the idea. So I absolutely loved Christy's layout. Absolutely gorgeous. And I love this sketch too. This is definitely one of my favorites that Laura Whitaker has ever made. And so I am going to now take Christy's layout and kind of also use the sketch and make my own layout based off of both of these. So the things that I am going to be grabbing from are, on Christy's layout, she has 3 photos, and they are, you know, kind of 2 on 1 plane. And then the other one, the third photo, is smaller and also kind of at a different angle and everything above the other 2 photos. So that is what I'm going to take from her layout. What I'm going to take from Laura's sketch is the multi-photos, so more than 3 photos. I'm going to do 4 photos, or actually I'm going to do 5 photos total. So another thing that I'm going to take from Christy's is I do like that her photos are kind of on an angle, but then I'm going to add this smaller photo into this cluster that you can see both here and here. So that's kind of where I'm going to start my layout, and I am going to be using my June kit from the scrapbooking store, which is using the Simple Stories Stars, Stripes, and Sparklers collection. And I am actually going to be, this is Tinian's Veterans Day, I think it was just a performance that he did when he was in second grade, I think. Actually, no, this is 2017. So I think, yeah, I think it was 2nd grade. Okay, so we are going to jump in and start creating. Okay, Scrapbookers, let's go ahead and get started. So, like I said, I am going to be using these 5 photos, and the first thing that I'm going to do is pick out my background paper. And this is my scrapbooking store June kit that I got. And this kit, I made so many layouts with this kit. It was so fun using this kit. And it wasn't even that I was doing 4th of July themed layouts with it. I don't know, I just was able to use this kit in so many different ways. So these are photos. I don't remember if I said anything about the photos that I'm scrapbooking, but they are photos of Tinian when he was in, I want to say 2nd grade. I think the 2nd graders put on a show for veterans. I want to say it's either 2nd or 3rd grade. I cannot remember. But I think it was 2nd grade, and I'm trying to think, because I think this was 2017. So yeah, it would have been 2nd grade. Okay, sorry, I'm like trying to figure this out because Oh, that feels so long ago, but it really wasn't that long ago. Anyway, so every year, the second graders in our school district, in every elementary school, puts on a program that just thanks vets. I was going to say veterinarians. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. Anyway, so I decided that I would use my 4th of July kit for this. I thought it would be perfect. And Tinian's class sang, well, his grade sang, I think 2 or 3 songs. And I don't know if you guys can see Tinian. You might be able to see him in the close-ups at the end, but he just looks so cute. He's singing his little heart out and just made me so proud. Okay, so here I knew I wanted to do some mixed media on this, and I just recently bought my first gloss spray from Dina Wakley, and I bought it through Close to My Heart because Close to My Heart is now selling a lot of different products that they've never sold before from the, I want to say like the mainstream scrapbooking companies. So like Tim Holtz, we have some Tim Holtz inks. We have Dina Wakley sprays. There's so many things that we have now that are in the mainstream scrapbooking. So I knew that I was going to cover up a lot of the background with the photos. And so I just wanted to make sure that the stencil did cover most of the right side of the layout. And I really, really love how it turned out. It worked out perfectly. And then on the left hand side, I'm able to put the title and then a little banner cluster at the very top. So now I am going to start gluing down the photos, and then I will start embellishing. So one of the first things I wanted to make sure I put on my layout was sequins. So I had these old sequins from Close to My Heart. I'm not sure they do them. I don't think they do them this way anymore because these ones are glued down to a piece of acetate paper. Now they just have sequins in like a little mix in a bag or a container that you can order. Here I am pulling out a couple different alphas. This month's kit, the June kit, came with the blue alphas on the right, but since I was using a blue piece of paper, I knew that the blue alpha wouldn't stand out. So I went and pulled from my stash this red one, and I'm just literally gonna write vet program as the title because honestly I really have no other idea what I would have put. I probably could have put like sing your heart out or something like that. Go Tinny and sing your heart out or something. And that would have been super cute, but that's okay. I can just journal about how proud I am about him singing his heart out. And I probably could actually do that in the bottom right hand corner where there isn't the star mixed media spray on there. And I think that would actually look really good if I used a white pen, which I do have. So okay, so I get the title down, and then now I'm going to start putting down the sequins, and then I'm going to bring in the sticker sheet, and I am going to use a bunch of stickers on this layout. And on this layout, I actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clusters, I guess you could say. So I decided to create a little cluster up here in the top right hand corner just to kind of make that white space go away, that where I didn't put the mixed media. and that worked out really well. Then I'm going to do a couple stickers down in the very bottom right of the photos, and then also I'm going to put this celebrate sticker up here, as well as a few other fireworks stickers and hearts. And then that is going to be it for this layout. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope that you enjoy this new series, and I will put the sketch and the photo of Christy's layout at the end, as well as my photos. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great scrappy day. Bye.